Hello my wonderful viewers, you're welcome once again to UMass Media for another awesome moment. Today we are going to be looking at indicial or exponential equations. The last class we dealt with the introductory part of indices where we talked about different laws of indices with instances and then with a simple problem solved. So let's dive straight to today's class. Okay, the problem we have to solve today is find the value of x if 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to the power of x plus 3. In solving this problem, we are going to be applying the laws of indices which we learned in the previous video. I'm going to drop the link of that video at the description of this video. Do well to check it. Now, according to the laws of indices, we understand that powers can be added only if the bases are the same. That is in the application of the multiplication law. Now, looking at this, we have that 9 is the base and 3 is also a base. They are not the same, so what do? We find a way to make them the same so that we can add the powers, applying the law of multiplication. So what we are going to do here is that 3 simply means 3 raised to the power 2, which is 3 times 3, 9. So we have 3 raised to the power 2, then we have in brackets 2x minus 1, the existing power, times 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1. Now this is 27. We are going to do the same thing we did on the left side of the equation to ensure that it's going to have the same base as others. So how do we reduce this to have a base of 3? If you think of that, you discover that 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 raised to the power 3. So we have 3 raised to the power 3 in bracket x plus 3, the power that is there already. So let's open up the brackets here for the powers. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power 2 times 2x gives us 4x, plus times minus gives us minus 2 times 1 is 2, times 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1 equal to, then let's open up the bracket here. We're going to have 3 raised to the power 3 times x is 3x, plus times plus is plus, 3 times 3 is 9. So we can see that all the bases are the same. So let's go right away into applying the multiplication law here, which says since the bases are the same, we add the powers. So we have 3 raised to the power 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power 3x plus 9. Now by this, since we have the same base on the left hand side of the equation and on the right side of the equation, from the knowledge of indicial equations, what we do is that we equate the powers. So we are going to have 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 1 equals 3x plus 9. The powers here equal to the power here. By this we have resolved this into linear equation, no longer an indicial equation. So we collect like term from this stage. We have 4s here, 3x and 3s. We bring them together and then bring the constants minus 2 plus 1 and 9 together. So we are going to have 4x plus 3x. Then I'll bring over 3s on the right side of the equation to the left side of the equation, and the sign is going to change from positive to negative. That's the standing rule. So we have minus 3x equal to, we have 9 left on the right side of the equation. We have 9, then we carry over minus 2 to the right side of the equation, it becomes plus 2, and then this becomes minus 1. So we have plus 2 and minus 1. So now let's simplify this. Here is plus 3x and minus 3x. This cancels out and we are left with 4x is equal to 9 plus 2 minus 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. So we have 4x is equal to 10. So at this point, we are going to find x by dividing both sides of the equation by 4, which is the coefficient of s, so as to eliminate 4, having s stand alone as the subject of the formula, giving us the solution. So we have 4x all over 4 is equal to 10 all over 4. 4 cancels 4 here. We have x left on the left side. Then we have equal to 10 all over 4, which will reduce to the lowest term. This is going to give us 5 all over 2. Then this is an improper fraction. I'm not going to leave it this way because it's not allowed. So I'm going to simply convert it to a mixed fraction. 2 into 5 gives us 2. Remainder 1 all over 2. So finally we have x is equal to 2.5. Wow, I believe this class is simplified and you have understanding of what we've just taught. But in case you have a misunderstanding somewhere, feel free to ask your question in the comment section of this video and I will attend to you. And I want to appreciate you, my great viewer, for watching this video to the end, and I want you to do us a favor in case this is your first time of visiting this channel, to hit the like button, share this video to your friends and lovers so they can have access to the same information you have, and as well hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that when next You Must Media drops another wonderful video like this, you will see it. See you in the next video. Thank you.